Finally it's raining. Why aren't you enjoying the rain?
No thank you.
Why don't you have fun like them?
If we all were supposed to like the smell of bad thing, will we still take shower?
What is this? Nothing suspicious.
You know what? Never mind.
I can't because my hoodie will get ruined.
And you didn't buy for us.
If you want one, then give me money.
Wait. Well, I think I don't have money.
You know what? Fine. I still don't see how this is fun.
What are you doing?